Question 1. Managing and combating inflation. Subsidy adjustment. The government utilizes fiscal policy by adjusting subsidies as seen in the removal and partial reintroduction of utilities subsidy influencing specific cost component affecting consumption price index CPI. Second, strategic government expenditure management. The removal of utilized subsidy demonstrates a fiscal policy discussion aimed at strategically managing the government expenditure during economic challenge, contributing to inflation control. Third, target intervention in consumer price. Fiscal policy is employed to target consumer price directly, with adjustment to subsidy impacting housing costs, with the CPI addressing inflationary pressure. Flexibility in response. The recommendation for immediately reintroduction of temporary subsidy highlight fiscal flexibility, showcasing the government's ability to respond dynamically to changing economic conditions of effect inflation management. Next, addressing supply-side contracts. Fiscal policy is applied to address supply-side contracts contributing to inflation, including distribution in production and transportation of goods through subsidy adjustment and strategic management of government spending. Lastly, balancing inflationary pressure. The overarching fiscal strategy aims to balance inflationary pressure, considering factors like global oil price. Adjusting subsidy forms part of a proactive approach to maintaining price stability in the economy as indicated by the downward trend in inflation figures.
This is two types of inflation. Demand pull inflation is the first one. This type of inflation arises when the overall demand for goods and services in an economy exceeds its productive capacity. Increased consumer spending, business investment, or government expenditure can drive demand pull inflation. In the article, the discussion on the removal of subsidies and the potential impact on consumer spending and overall demand could relate to the dynamic of demand pull inflation. So, second, cost push inflation. This occurs when the cost of production increases, leading producers to raise prices to maintain their profit margins. Factors such as rising raw material costs, wages, or supply chain disruption contribute to cost push inflation. In the context of the article, supply side constraints, higher costs for food production, and the impact of external factors like global oil prices can be seen as contributors to potential cost push inflation. So the last part is summary, is conclusion. High inflation rates have an adverse effect on the GDP, decreasing the purchasing power of money and leading to a drop in national output. However, moderate inflation level should not cause fear, as they are vital for the steady growth of the national economy. If the prices are growing slowly and steadily, with no rapid shocks, the investor can make their prediction and customers tend to spend more, giving rise to the economy.